What drives an artist forward? These two male sculptors prove that walang ahadlang sa pusong malikain. Meet Bad Palacio, sculptor, mold maker, resin caster, toy designer all in one. His creations like Bulol Ultraman, Badzilla, and Chulong Fu Dogs are perfect blend of Philippine mythology, pop culture, and kaiju vibes. He's a master at molding with silicone and resin, constantly experimenting and defining what's traditional meets modern. First, si Bads, napaka-intricate ng mga gawa niya. Naka-attend na rin ako ng mga workshop niya before and meron din siyang sarili niyang recipe ng wax clay. And ngayon, nag-iipon pa rin ako para maka-attend ng iba pa niyang mga workshop. Aside from his art, what blows me away is how he pushes through tough situations, like flooding in his studio. I've seen him lift his pieces to safety firsthand, and that's resilience, a true artist level dedication. Bad shows that you can experiment across mediums and stay true to your culture while innovating. Next up, Ross Donicio. He's a senior sculptor who first made waves with mini-me caricature dolls, now known for his elegant clown head collection and flower in cast resin works. Si Ross naman kasama yung asawa niya is a perfect sample of teamwork. Si Sir Ross yung nag-sculpt and si Miss Marilet naman yung nagtuturo ng resin flower reservation. Nagtutour din sila around the Philippines so sobrang couple goals. I attended his epoxy resin casting and mold making workshop and it was a hands down game changer for me, and some of them are free. Together with his wife, they create a powerful artistic duo, a pure teamwork and art harmony. Ross and Marilet proves that juggling a family and an art business is possible and that art is profitable. Floods may test your patience, pero art ang lifeboat nila. Please follow them and support locals. Follow us for all things clay.